Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's wealth step-by-step review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more commissions have come in with wealth step-by-step. But more importantly, in this video, I'd like to show you how you can join the fastest growing team. And the reason for doing that is that we give you, with our team Rotator, we give you paying members, and you can just promote one link and you can earn multiple income streams with the wealth step-by-step compensation plan. So just before I show you my commissions, a bit later on in the video, I'm going to show you all the free resources our team gives you. And I'm also going to give you a free 7-figure earners blueprint training that you can use to succeed online with affiliate marketing. So I'm going to show you the commissions now. You'll see this is my wealth step-by-step account. That's my name, Barry Cross there. I'm going to log in and I'm going to go into the back office. If it's log in here, and you get a free autoresponder when you at this level when you join wealth step-by-step. We're going to sign in, and I'm going to go on to more and new genealogy, and what you'll see here is my total commissions for October are $24. So I'm already into profit because it costs just £15 a month, £15 a month to be a member of wealth step-by-step. And what you'll see here is that the blinking indicates fast start bonus. So these two names here, this one here, Fabio, I referred Fabio yesterday, sign up date 28th of the 10th, and you get a fast start bonus there of $10. And then Kevin on the 10th of October, so another fast start bonus there of $10, that's $20, and I've got a $4 recurring commission from a previous referral. So that just shows you the proof of commissions. But what you can do is, I want to show you the power, and I want to show you the pay plan. And let's just log out here, and I want to show you how just on the first level, this is a forced matrix. I'm going to go into pay plan. Just very briefly, I want to show you the pay plan and how this works here. So with this forced matrix, when we say that we give you paying members, what happens is when those that have joined wealth step-by-step before you, like myself, we fill our own levels up. And once we've filled our levels up, if I get my little pen out here, once we've filled our levels up, then we pass paying members on to you. So we do that through a team rotator. And what you'll see here is that on level one here, once I've got 3, you don't earn anything on level 1. This column down here is your total monthly recurring commissions. This is excluding your fast start bonus. Then once I filled level 1, I go into level 2. And then once I filled level 2, then I'm on $36 per month. And that's recurring income. So that's how you get into profit with wealth step-by-step. So you're paying $15 a month, but once you fill this second level here, and we're going to put paying members into your team, because those that have already been a member for longer than me and longer than you, they're going to, it's called spillover. And what that means is that when their matrix is full, they have to be passed down to other team members. It's called a forced matrix. So on level 3, you'll see the potential. Now level 3 is where it starts to get interesting. So Wealth Step by Step is a long-term program. If you stay around long enough and you do some promoting yourself, and we promote you in the Rotator, when you fill up your third level of 27 members, so this column here is your commission column, you get $4 for each paying member. 27 times 4, 27 times 4 on this row here means you will then get $144 per month of recurring commission, plus your fast start bonuses. So it's a multiple income stream funnel, 144. And then if you stick around long enough, because the more people that are joining, the more people, the more spillover there is. So now's the time to join. And then on your level 4, 81 times 4 equals $468. So these members have to be passed down. It's what's called a forced matrix. They have to go to other team members once their own matrix is full. And there's 2 more matrix after this. There's one there and there's one there, and they're a lot bigger numbers. I'm not going to go into that today. We are going to focus on helping you fill your first matrix, this one here. We're going to focus on helping you build your first matrix. We're going to teach you how to promote your own referral link, and then we're going to teach you, and that way your team members will also get spillover, and then that builds you a solid recurring monthly income because everyone's happy. And once everyone gets to this level, once they're all earning $36, then they don't quit, because nobody quits a program that they're paying $15 for and they're earning 36, and then they've got the potential to carry on promoting and get spillover and earn these incomes here of $144 per month, still paying $15 a month, and then earn $468 in recurring monthly income. So that's how the force matrix works. Now let me just show you our free team resources. This is really important because we give you lead capture pages. We use Leads Leap, which is a free lifetime membership. So it's very, very simple. Even if you're an absolute beginner, these are what's called share codes. These are what's called share codes. So when you join Leads Leap, all you do is go into the back office and then you copy and paste these codes into Leads Leap, and with a few clicks, you'll end up with a lead capture page, exactly the ones that you see on here. So we're giving you all the done for you tools. We're giving you all the email series. If you look up here, we've got Wealth Step by Step email series. So what you do is got a share code there, and that's got the follow-up message. You will need to be a pro member to set an autoresponder sequence up with Leads Leap, but you can get the email messages and then you can send them out in a broadcast. You get a welcome letter with the free membership, but we'll give you everything you need. Got all the banners down here. So we've got lots of banners, got everything within this resource site here to help you succeed. So it's a done for you system. You don't have to create anything. You don't have to create lead capture pages, follow-up messages. It's all done for you with our team, the Early Bird team. As a thank you for watching this video all the way through, I'm going to give you this free 7-figure earner blueprint training. So there'll be a link in the description. There's no opt-in for this page. There'll be a link in the description that'll take you to a training page like this. And this is one of my mentors, Jeff, here. And Jeff's going to take you through a series of video tutorials that you can use with this system to promote any affiliate offer online and become successful. If you follow his system, it even gives you all the traffic as well. So if I scroll down to the bottom here, the 7 video tutorials. If you scroll down here, Jeff even gives you 6 traffic resources in there, and then another 4 traffic resources here. So even if you're an absolute beginner, then follow this system. Excuse me, follow this system, and then you can learn how to become successful online. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. You can join our team with the link in the description. So just click there and join our team if you want to join today. If you give me a like on this video today, then I'd appreciate that, because that will help support my YouTube channel. And please click subscribe and click the bell icon if you'd like to see some more videos from me. So currently I've got over 800 videos on the channel, and I'm doing new videos. At the moment I'm doing a new video every day, and long term I'm going to be doing several new videos every week of new content. And if you've got any questions at all about wealth step by step, then please leave those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions. And if you want to contact me direct through email, I'll put my email in the description below. So the link in the description is where you can get more information, and you can also join our team if you want to get started. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.